Welcome. If you've ever sent a message in a messenger group and wished you could remove it just for yourself without deleting it for everyone, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the simple, updated steps to delete your messages only for you in a messenger group chat. Whether you want to tidy up your chat history or just keep things a bit more private, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. Once you're in, you'll see your list of recent chats. Scroll through and tap on the group chat where the message you want to delete is located. Now, find the specific message you want to remove from your view. This can be any message you've sent or received in the group. Once you've found it, press and hold your finger on the message. After a moment, a menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option that says Delete. Tap on it. You'll now see two choices: Delete for everyone and Delete for you. Since you only want to remove the message from your own chat history, select Delete for you. And that's it. The message will disappear from your screen, but it will still be visible to everyone else in the group. This is a great way to clear out old messages, remove clutter, or just keep your chats organized without affecting anyone else's conversation. Just remember, this process only deletes the message for you. If you want to remove a message for everyone, you'll need to choose the Delete for Everyone option instead. But for a quick cleanup just on your end, these steps work perfectly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.